loves. Today we're going to do a Revolution Beauty haul. I know you guys are shocked. You're shocked. Me? A Revolution haul? Never. Anyway, if you are into Revolution, you're in the right place. Just keep watching and please subscribe because I'm a little bit Revolution obsessed. We know this. Let's do this. Let's jump into this haul. I have everything linked down below. They are affiliate links. They don't cost you any more to use, but they do give me a very small commission when you use the links. So it would mean the world to me if you could use those links. I put it right back into my channel, so that would be amazing. If you want to purchase any of these things, please use the links below. If not, it's cool. It's cool. No pressure. But it would be rad if you did. Thank you. Let's do this. I was going to do this in some sort of order, but we're just going to go for it. Okay, so the first thing I grabbed out was a Precise brow pencil. This is in light brown. It's just one of their versions of the Anastasia Brow Wiz is what I look at it by. Let me open it. I'm hoping that it's not too warm toned. Oh, no, she's kind of loose in there. So I'll have to be really careful so I don't lose that. The color looks nice. It looks a little bit warm. That's light brown, but I think it'll work for me. Looks pretty similar to what I have on. I have Anastasia Dip Brow in blonde on. So I'll give this guy a go. We can try it in a video if you guys want. Super duper affordable. It's like $5, I think. Okay, I picked up a couple skincare items. My mama actually was super interested in these. She saw a little like advertisement for the skincare and these two really stood out. So I got 2 for me and there's 2 for her. One is the 30% AHA and BHA peeling solution and then 5% lactic acid, hyaluronic acid serums. Ooh, this one says it's an intense skin exfoliator and this one says it's a mild skin exfoliator, so I'm gonna have to figure these out and use them. I know that I love getting lactic peel, so I was like, I'll try this guy. And then AHA and BHA really work to exfoliate your skin, so I'm excited to try these. I'm sure they both have instructions on what the best use is for them. Yep, vegan and cruelty free, fragrance free. I'm really excited to use these guys. Let me pop mine open so you guys can see them. Lactic acid and hyaluronic acid. Ooh, I'm really excited to use this guy. This one is the, I think, what did they, Intense Skin Exfoliator. AHA and BHA peeling solution. It smells a little strong. I'm really excited to use it though. I'll keep you guys posted on these. I need to do an updated skincare routine. I'm just trying to find what works for me. I like trying too many things and it's hard to like actually nail down a routine for me. All right, I'm just gonna keep grabbing stuff. I picked up one of the Sprinkles palettes from Revolution. This one is Ice Cream Sundae. I thought they were gonna be bigger, but they're smaller. It's like a little, the size of like a little eyeshadow quad, but that's okay. It was, everything from Revolution is super affordable. This one looks like it's kind of a satin, but the other ones look like they are kind of glowy. Let me swatch them. You can see them right there. Really soft. Let me see if I can swatch them a little more intensely. Yeah, this is cute. I'm excited to try this. I think that all of their products are just so cutesy. I can't wait to try this on my face. Look at this packaging. It's so cute. It's so sprinkly. I grabbed one of their new Mega Bronzers. I got the cool one. I'm hoping this will work for contouring. It looks a tiny bit warm, but hopefully it won't swatch that way. I think it'll be good. I don't think it's too warm at all. I think it's very neutral. I just love their bronzers in their contour, so I'm hoping that I'm gonna really like this one. It is a little bit warm. Even though it's called the cool bronzer, this is feeling just a tiny bit warm. I'm so glowy. Wow. I'm feeling the glow. I went a little overboard. But I'll have to try this on its own to see how I really feel about it. But if I love it, like that's a huge bronzer. I'm hoping that I will like it considering I don't think I've ever met a Revolution contour or bronzer that I didn't like. So we'll see. We'll see. They came out with these new bronzers and highlighters. I almost picked them all up because they were like £3 or something on the website. I almost always purchase in pounds because it ends up being a little bit less expensive with the conversion than it does if you just buy it in US dollars. Swatch these 2 highlights. I tried to get the lightest ones. This one had a review that said it was really worked for fair skin. So I'm hoping that that is correct. Of course, I had to get the white one. I was like, girl. So she's more of a dry formula, which usually I like in a highlight, so we will definitely see. Again, this is what I'm gonna have to use on my face. I feel like the drier formula ones like don't swatch well, but when you put them on your face, like you get a real, like you can even see right there, like just amped it up. Oops, now I gotta put it on this side. Shannon, too much glow. This one is Set the Tone, and then this guy is Just My Type. Same thing. Ooh, but this one gives off even more pigment. Swatch it. That looks a little dark though. I'm definitely probably gonna have to mix that guy. But we'll see. We'll see. I don't know. This looks really beautiful. I like the packaging on these. It feels nice and sturdy. And then I have one bronzer in Holiday Romance. I think it was the lightest one out of all of them. Ooh, so we'll see. This is glowy bronzer. So I was thinking maybe with summer coming, I would give it a go. I don't normally use glowy bronzers. It's right down here. But I thought I would try. It's not too glowy. It's kind of a satin. So she's pretty. We'll give her a go. Why not? Again, these were super, super affordable. I grabbed one of the new cheek kits from Revolution. This one is Take a Breather. It looked like it had glowy blushes, so I was like, yes, please, glowy blush, glowy bronzer. I feel like this type of shade is in the Ultra Contour kit, and I never, ever, ever used it. You can see it right, where did I put it? Right here. It's just kind of the same thing as that last bronzer, kind of a glowy bronze. Those other three look so beautiful. It looks like a super glowy blush. And then I think both of these highlights are going to work for me. Ooh, yes, queen. There you can kind of see. Super pretty, super pretty. Okay, so we have a few eyeshadow palettes to look at. This guy I'm actually wearing today. I went in with the Profusion Festival palette and it just wasn't popping enough on the blues. And this guy came to the rescue. This is the Deep Dive palette. I love all of the Reloaded palettes. I feel like I haven't met one that I didn't really, really love. This one is definitely unusual for me. I don't use a lot of blues or greens, but I thought I would give it a go. And I actually like the look. It's very simple, but I really do like it, and I feel like it's something a little bit different for me. I haven't used every shade, obviously, but they are pigmented. So let me just swatch some for you. There's some quick swatches for you. Oof. Oof. Yes, queen. Yes, queen. Yes. So this is a really beautiful palette if you want to try the blues, but like you don't want to commit to the price of Blue Blood. That was my thinking, was like, I can't afford to get Blue Blood right now, so I'm going to kind of jump on the trend and give it a go. And so I went with this guy. Way more affordable, obviously. So I think it's a really beautiful palette. I feel like if you are wanting to try anything, a Reloaded palette is not a bad way to go. The next one I got was the Red Alert palette. This looks so beautiful. I was wondering if this was going to be a Blood Sugar dupe. I haven't held them up next to each other yet, so I'm not sure. Do I have, oh, I do have Blood Sugar right here. There aren't the same number of shades, so it's kind of hard to say, and I don't think, I do think you could get a really similar look, but I don't think they're exactly the same. But again, there are more shades in the Blood Sugar palette than there are in the Reloaded Red Alert palette. Maybe, you guys. I think it's trying to be. Looking at this and like really looking at them, I think it's meant to, I think that they were trying with this. So if you guys want a dupe tutorial, let me know down below and I will do that for you. Ooh, oh, pretty pigmented. Let me swatch a couple more. Really pretty. I know I'm gonna love this palette, first of all, because I tend to love every Reloaded palette I've tried. Plus, this is so like my jam. This is so my jam. So I'm excited to have that one. And then the last guy I picked up was the Foil Frenzy palette. This has all foiled shades. Ooh, look at like the texture on these. They look like they're gonna be so pigmented, so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, watch this. Let's go for this one. One swipe. Girl. These are crazy. Crazy pigmented. Oh my. Okay, yeah. This looks gorgeous. Given it's all foiled shades, so this is really something that I'm probably only going to really use on my lid, but it's really beautiful, and these are super intense. So I don't think this is a palette that's going to stand on its own by any means, and I kind of wasn't sure if I should get it or not, but then I just at the last minute was like, just get it, just try it, because I had seen some swatches and I'd seen some looks from it, and like the looks were so beautiful. Those look so buttery, so smooth. Oh, I'm impressed, guys. Oh, I totally finished filming this haul and I forgot I had these. Revolution was kind enough to send over all of their new essence sprays. So we have the caffeine. There is the CBD one, the superfruit, niacinamide, I think is how you say that, and hyaluronic. So this one has pink grapefruit extract. Oh, it smells really good. So this one, since it's hyaluronic, it's going to be hydrating. And then we have the superfruit, which is the Replenishing Essence Spray. Fruit. Ooh, this one smells really fruity, but in a good way. None of these seem to be too overpowering though. Let's see. I'm going to try the CBD one. Oh, it smells like cucumbers to me. And then there is the caffeine one, which I have used once before. I really like this one. This one just kind of smells... I have too many scents now, you guys. This one has citrus extract in it. And then what is this last one? I should know how to say this, but I don't. Niacinamide? This one just kind of smells like any other setting spray. I feel like I have another, I think another one of the Revolution setting sprays kind of smells like this one. This one, it has chamomile extract. So far, I really do like the caffeine one and the CBD one. I haven't really used them enough on a regular basis to let you know how they work. But of course, if I enjoy them, they'll be in a favorite soon, and I can always update you guys soon as well. All right, love, so I think that is everything for this haul. Let me know what kind of video you want to see next. Let me know which of these items you want to see in a tutorial soon. If you want the blood sugar dupe video or what you want. Do you think they can dupe the blood sugar palette? Anyway, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share it if you could, because it does help me out so much. And please subscribe if you had not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Why are you crazy? Why are you crazy? I love you guys so much. I will talk to you soon. Bye. It's more of a, oh, that's my butt. Muna? Here. This is the worst swatch ever. Shannon, let me re-swatch on my other hand. My brain. Get it together, Shannon. Whoa. If you guys want me to try and do a dupe video, let me know. I do. Get it together, Shannon. Hold this properly. She's like, Mom, why are you so crazy?